Mame papa ba ko ka asem bi kire me. Dada je, nyame nhyira. O se, die ntia broni ko da nimpa ne se. Onyankopon oche nyansa. Oche nyansa, oche nimdie, en oche adwene. Na yen ebibifo yeyi enoma mu miensa no yeyi nyansa no pe ne yesi yawie. Enti adwene a eka ho a yebetumi di nyansa na di dwuma no ya mpe ekira kwan ebibifo edwuma de yesi wo South Africa omo be ya beduru ba bi no mahu se da bi se wo ma ye mistake adwene no onim nyansa pa so o ma me mo mikro ho bai ba adwene o de beto ho aye ne yie no that's a problem enti yan ya mpa adwene what you say ena yensan so nsua de nyen hwehwemu yie emfa no ma ho ntinimdie no ye ni bi ba sa no ma miensa we nyina broni fai openyansa ma menhwe na mikro ntumpon eno ye nyansa adwene be na broni be de beto ho broni de tu adwene to ho na afi wa penimdie ede na binom aya ayeye no akohwehwem de nimdie abeka ho na ama ni kro na tumpon ba ye hayi wa hunu hu nyansa se ye we ye ba ho adwene ni nimdie no eni ho. That is our problem in this country. O politician bi ani wa wo ba onim nyansa se kro we e ha we na wom ani nyansa mu no ohunu se we ye ha onim pa ba se ye de adwene ni nimdie beto ho no. That is the African problem. Your problem aye wo power kromu ano no. Yenim flooding me catch 1960 ena chase ensu yiri bae yenim pa ena nyansa ye wone se ensu yiri afa nipa enti nyansa mu no ese stop. But how do we stop it? Etwase yenya adwene na yenya nimdie eno na aboye asabibi man na ebra papa ka asem no metena sidi nam say no, this is very insightful. And so what on see your politicians no ekoba sanse ya mpa adwene ene nimdie enti no ubon se yenhu de ye keka no obi de to California no obi de obi to ayampia ena be yese ne de nyina ya politics na akwagiregu basa bri na se yetena se ne ye pe ho adwene de ne be ye ade we ye fa ne se ne be ye kuro we mu se bi koso ade na omo ye ne ya pe ho nimdie e de abeka ho ne yetimi asovu no ba ye be ne MPP NDC ne ekuro no se de ye tia ne de asotisa. That is our problem. E mabunu tu kwan ebinumu dwane free wo man mu ye wonum ndie hu say problem wo ho ye wo hu nyanse hu say problem wo ho. How do we solve it? And then South Africa, look at how ya de share wo and e be di hu nkomo. One of the victims ebeba fia but ye nhwenka Galamsey ha ye wo kromu ha Galamsey ye hu nyanse hu say Galamsey nya de pa yenya mu nyansa mu ba mu nimdie ene adwene a de beto ho se yensi ho kwan se be ya Galamsey ne ye de be yi no sika pe ene ani brenti no. We don't think about that. We don't even think about the future generations. No ma mienu na boye edu obi o kasa obi se kasa ni mu ede pa but adwene ni nimdie na o de be yesa de na wo ka ho asem na abo no enu ni bibini ha. Nti yebeka Galamsey ho asem ne ya in fact the Galamsey menace and when as your friends and mercury and why ni akeka bebrebe ni aye ebe hayo enti no say yebeka ne saa ye adwene ben ni nimdie ben ene ye de beto ho solve the problem. That is our issue. Nene unimdie ama mera ho this week ya na mekasa fa bosomtwe ho Lake Bosomtwe aye di Galamsey. Frank is fato sumame. Lake Bosomtwe ye didi asase no de koyese be posu se de ende wo Lake Bosomtwe be posu area ho and oma didia de ba lake nim excavator na esimuni. This week me ka ho asem fa ni ma me your friend is saying the view no we eye ewiem ye twadia ba baabi a Galamsey edidi ko ekọ bosomtwim eti we no nyansa wo ho se ekonsuo ni mu ha adwene ba nimdie ene adwene ba ne ye de beto ho a ye be ma we ye gyae eno ne ye problem eti wo koka no obi benefit wo ho nti no onfa adwene nto ho obedi watemasi ukwan because ne benefit nti adwene ayira. Lake Bosomtwe UNESCO actually say one of the lakes ewiase nyinaa no edimu ene education no kra universities no dey research ne ye didi kom me be kan one sem this week ya am ye hu say trees enua bi kra ho aye den ne those species no ye nya bi around bosomtwe enso ye dugu ese no enti ye dwene. That is my question. Ye dwene pa enu achi anso ho a ye free no so ene a make say uni ba bia yadru say de yes agenda 111 Adansi Asokwa agenda 111 hospital no nchen ena say de wo ma didia ma adru agenda 111 hospital no nchen Francis Fatu Sumaye kowachi kra na yenhwe agenda 111 ba bia ewo iti ohwe ba bia bra Facebook insha 104.5 on ba bia excavators ni si we obi na akotwa ni secret excavator na ye adwuma bra behwe video no bra wo de bra bright kweku ye newsroom bright kweku omo ne kodi se adwuma hwe agenda 1 toso no he ya mame no kowachi wo de kowachi memu aba wanim abusua bra Facebook behwe ade agenda 111 ewo Adansi Asokwa Francis kowachi kakra mame me be se me ne wo ye adwuma bi fa ba bia agenda 111 no eba ye no ene ba bia omutu ade no mame very close nti won say wo na o mato fa agenda 111 no if you come back for me be say clear eye gina ha ya abusua behwe ade hwe ba bia agenda 111 no wo na hwe ensuo efemu a yetutu Galamsey amna yetutu wa ha enti se ye pese ye kwan kura de femu ko ho anase ebinim fa bomu kwan e de bepiem wo hospital wa enya mena ni ombetutum na wonim de ha dwene ensuo de ani aye wo kala no a ensuo na ye na kire se chemicals enom de agumu a ye de tu Galamsey no ensuo na wo nti asase na wo na nkasa no ye poison asase no minim se hospital agenda 111 no so a ye sie no dan a pipe ko ho a wo mbetu nsuo wo fam meboa wo mbetu fam nsuo say hospital no be use no anya enough water say be ya Ghana water etwa wo mbenya fam nsuo but very close to the hospital ye tu Galamsey the chemicals egu asase no a ye betu nsuo ho de ama hospital no supply no wo de let's even excuse the fact say omu didi ase hospital na asase na wo no but the nsuo no mbetu ho ne no ye ombe yusu nyina kra is a problem omabubu ndua ni nyina endua na surround e dan no ebeje dan no ebebo dan no ho ban no yenim sese ye nya vegetation be around such buildings are very dangerous hadwene but ye bubu ndua ni nyina agu bra Facebook be hade Adansi Asokwa nie Adansi Asokwa agenda 111 I ask myself say are we humans ye ni papa just say are we human beings broni adwene ene ye nyina moja nam yemu I don't really understand this say agenda 111 ye who say hospital ni and Galamsey just close to the hospital and omo ewo community ni mpanimfo wo ahemfo ahema aporesifo wo in that district and mpanimfo wo peso mo kire say DC peso mo kire say nobody is aware of the ecoso around agenda 111 na kire say aban project na ye ni nyina akura DC bia wo sample temu ano na dwene ni aban edwumadie so eye position no ma jekeke eduhwa bosomtwe de excuse na DC dema I wouldn't be surprised say when su be ma the same excuse because hakura de nye forest ya wontimi nko and so if there are supervision you be who say ebia na DC ni ka ho bi ebia no onya ne share wo because I don't understand this one and the saddest part is that appointees are represented John Dramani Mahama nyina no this Galamsey areas aye hu no I am very incompetent Very, very incompetent because Oye DC in charge of DISEC, district security, and answer municipal war security in Wonsa. Now catch them say you are not aware. Ebra excavator become akugura hono edi juma, and you tell me you are not aware. That means you are not serious. You are not fit for purpose in that office. Galamsey around Agenda 111. Blackface be heard the saddest part of this one. Now, me say, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, what's the way your legacy term? Say one year, the way your appointees are behaving, omo what Galamsey prone areas no, womo yeno. Me say, Galamsey will be part of your legacy. Will be part and a major part of your legacy, and son we free so 2028. Because the way the thing is getting worse. And now Erasmus Asaridonko Senior will show me videos me, and I was sad. Areas I ever watch on one. And ya hankwao. Bakubi di say a drew a film to say ye would have fear ni mu ankasani ye di as a nipa ni kromo. And looking at the areas, Galamsey no Ashanti region, around Lake Bosomtwe and Agenda 111 Asokwano, I asked myself, say, into the Galamsey activities, the Akokoa pa in the Ashanti region, no. Just say, meanwhile, yes, 9 months on the firm back task force year, and we know the cause of this. I ask myself, are we human beings in our right senses? Because obiani wa sebe na dwene ye adwuma yi a obeye de ekoso yi Agenda 111 yi hu. Me say obiani wa or the right state of mind na dwene eye adwuma sebe na ehun tochema obeye de ekoso yi Agenda 111 hu close to it, not even enu 50 feet impo enu just say unhu de wo patre. Sikani bre ye pe sikenti. We are sick as a nation. Sika ye penti. Some of our appointees in these areas, John Dramani Mahama, they don't deserve to be in office. Some of the appointees, DC is DC for Bosomtwe, DC our Bosomtwe, DC our Adansi Asokwa, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, they don't deserve to be DCs. Abayan Krache for no more Bosomtwe, they are Bosomtwe. The Adansi Asokwa on Sessa or ye DC BM on Sessa or MC BM. They are incompetent, and I will use gross incompetent because if you are in charge of security, our district now catch them and said the Galamsey is going on. You are not aware. It means you are incompetent. What are you doing with the commanders? And there are forestry commission, district forestry officers. They are supposed to monitor even if it's in the bush. So what are you telling us? Very, very incompetent. They must be fired. Reshuffling no at John Dramani Mahama. Me say bebre one more appointment. They are incompetent, and you are aware. Reshuffling at check. They are wasting time. They are wasting time. Unless say this is no catch them say somebody in Jubilee House or Mampenia swear and a catcher and say man take action na your moadia. I know the Metiasie. And I say DC na can who be no more Galamsey. Metiasie. But this one cannot be accepted. We cried a new room baby where a dying is one and quite chilly baby. And you come and tell me say onye aware as a DC. Ye twitwa ye nyina agu ye sense wo tie omo mame ma wontie omo kakra tie omo kakra.
Mining is happening. Is this happening? It is right. They tell us they have the mandate to mine.
Galamsey try hu asia yensu da ha nyina asay almost am boy a president anu tin ya to abama president because president say ye bo say oba omo ayachi wo mukro be yi wo mo amoma ba ye omo guarantee say and Galamsey ni de ye ya obi anu obetimi aka ho asem to wo yetima amuni na say okohu a na je waka wanu atum
The residents had hoped that the facility would soon open, but are now worried over.
We don't have any major health facility in Adansi Asokwa. Through the government, we have this Agenda 111 hospital, but Galamsey has taken over the lands.
Agenda 111 Maso, the other Galamsey, a son say, a ban a police for office, assembly Sunni.
The Galamsey is happening.
Enyamina make so wo de ntia wo we kromani oba no wo de bra Facebook be hade. This is the video. Agenda 111 dan no ya yere kama ya boso kama incomplete ye de bateye omo akose ho di Galamsey ya ben otie oba no e ben police station e ben assembly no DC cannot deny say onim ho hwe kromafo no na ekasa kromafo no na ekasa no na one media, I've said it over and over. Say, Galamsey no, amanyofo no, nyame betua moka. Mo amo say yen sase no a. Wa wote wa wo ma permit, wo ma approval. Wo nso a wote wa wo encourage Galamsey no wo wura mu a enei papa ne kan wo so mo nsu asei ene ade no. Nyame betua mo nyina aka. Nyame obetua mu nyina ka mako no matter how long it takes nyame ntua moka nyame ontua moka nipa ewuwu nom chemicals yi ene ade ekoso no me say nyame onfa mo ho nche mo da onyankropon onfa mo ho nche mo da you will get the money but obetua moka awreho. Look at the community. Omuni kamaphobia and the politicians more yam penifo a yehwe say close to assembly, close to police station. Na ye Galamsey because yetia na DC Yamansia Central papai ekwaje jejeje tax watch and fine so any excavators yeti kromu awo ema yen centrofo ko yes expose ni by tax for Galamsey. Ekorias yes o na by dada ane and I on so by no so abeje and I intini aje dada enti de ya ne say oh ya man e warning enso kohwe Galamsey ni guso na no say nkrofo frɛ wa ye bie phone lines ote eda so guso because ye punish obi a bibiansi we ye ekoso ya Adansi Asokwa ayi ebosomtwedie DC be jana ye mini okas DC kra okas wunhu ya esi ye two ntem because security kura what area on wakasa kura wonye up to date with it unya abreast with the security issues. It is a nipa bonfo bi na be she area ho no mu be kukurumafo no a ko mo te wa na yakun mu nyina because security na nkasa wo na wo head of security no unim hwe ni e taxes and fine ye wie no ye say ama warning keke frank it fatu so mame ya ma warning keke ba Galamsey ni wo area ho no enyaye Emmanuel Obian agemaide no ni ye 3,000 for champagne ni ye 30,000 for excavators ewie na o say ye te committee ye nhweme ewie ase no ye say o koname nkoye body biem so Galamsey ni guso. And my big question is, why are the chiefs and the traditional leaders watching? Nananuma himfo mwadaroma ahimafo mwadaroma ebra so say sorry. This is the time to arise. It's not only the youth in Ghana that needs to arise. Ye hear ye nananom ye mpanimfo, let's arise. Yes remo yen sorry when we arise. These politicians cannot take us for granted. Because my said they will not stop. They wouldn't stop. But amfa nananom mwadaroma mu na tumi no mu obi mu na mbetumi ama adewe ye betumi asi won kwan because politician na obepe MP obepe we no ohia nana Nhyira obekọ nana ho obepe so obehia nana bi ansa na kuro na wakoso no watumi aye ne campaign nana no omo ba mo kan omo ntie no mo nsori nyina mo na so nsi won kwan because mo so nsase no tumi no mu obi e wo mrem ojune ho awon ti ase se Galamsey no kosua now can say kura de aban ye japade no hospital be gini pankwa and I learned said this will be a major hospital in the area mo said any major hospital bia and that is going to save the lives of people no ye didi akose ho Dr. Frank Amwakohene, regional minister. And we have information at the Babonti. Frank is Fatu Sumami. Ose Galamsey at Adansi Asokwa following a report this morning and wakaya anti-illegal mining task force no omabo immediately. Ose it was immediately dispatched to the site. Upon the suspects realizing that matter had come to the attention of authorities, they fled the scene. Also omajane. Dr. Frank Amwakohene say omuti ya no ma security for anti-illegal mining task force for koye omukodu na nkofo na dwane a omeja machine Frank is for machines ni mai Adansi Asokwa machines no famaye and a car with a registration number. This is the excavator. Also omukoye na nkofo na dwane ba omunya excavator we and omu say nya pick up we fa pick up no bra pick up GT 928416 FRDVLA. They have the information. If report na buy ye no 2016 omu register no. The information is with the VLA. You be hu nipa kra ne dia. Ye tracing na nipa bi kra ton ma obi a ye be hu. We will get the right owner of this vehicle. Let's get them arrested. De bia ye be dru ho enkrofo na dwane. De bia be dru enkrofo na dwane. Omo dwane sei. Na omo kidnap nkrofo fra IGP Yohunu etimi kohwehwe mu me yache sa nkrofo no omo kidnap nkrofo a na obi ani wo a omo do mu dwane ko sie baabi ni IGP Yohunu eni ni CID team no omo timi ye investigation ya me yache sa nkrofo no am robbers ye ntia na beche criminals bi okumase a na ebi hye kro no ma francho ne nasefo no. So are you telling me say ye ntimi arrest sa nkrofo we with immediate effect? Omo dwane akwan nyaga na he ya omo ehia no mbe dwane akofa because South African ye pamo mo be mi be din komo bi sesi na wa wo rebe ho South African ye pamo mo ba no ye pamo Ghana fo ba won krum ye ni ba bia ko aman ye cha ade ye nya ye ni. It is serious. Ekunu ye nyiri mu. I appreciate say eba ye no wama task force no etu anamontem Dr. Frank Amwakohene eye say wama mo etu anamontem, but we need resource. Ye hear resource. Let's get these people arrested. Ye chi omo a ye line omo up, let's name and shame. We mua but excavators yes you say boys no mu dwane ye no nya omo na toy. Omo ye adwuma wo wura mu no ntimi nto sa excavator we. There are people behind this idea ekoso. It's becoming too much. It's becoming too much. The regional minister, Kenya Galamsey issues, no, because one of the things a bit me go anymore as a regional minister, will promo sa Galamsey na omudidi wasi no. And the DCs na e bi aye omo so omo do omo ho ahyem indirectly omo person be ka no kre no. Say wo ka kire mampani kura ma say DCs no, ye tu omo to ade so let's move them out. Edding. But me you for what communities ni nyina mu no ene manfo ewo mu no asemba akope na mbese me ka kire mu jomorofo eye bi jomoro wo mo si no Galamsey sa abre no eye mpanimfo bi ebi kura ye NDC executives bi a wo mo de VAT bewuram akodidie kromafo no so wo mo mpene and they stop them.
Asobia ni yankasa mobile muni yakasa mobile muni yakasa mobile muni yakasa anya hwe o so dia na anya hwe na me so me business what am I telling you business o ba chade then o be tuatre
enti we ya na na ehunu na we ya be kire o ya o mo nkire hwe mo na mukuru me say mo na mukuru mo nsi won kwan no Galamsey no Galamsey
no Galamsey no Galamsey no money where Galamsey yampini
very sad. Now let me repeat again. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said one nyahwe year Galamsey will be part and a bigger part of your legacy to end your term in 2028. Because most of your appointees, no, I imagine say, ye greedy, ye woody for. Because obia or dia diegu ensuum emenipa enum ewuo no oye wudini Galamsey ni yenim obi a otutu amena onkata so obi di ne nan besi so na wa tomu awuo no oye wudini ewudie enra ade bi aba yesi cabbage ne ho ahwan kura chemicals bi wo mu a eze no chemicals no ewura ba bia na no grade banche de bai eni ade say unim say ye wu pa. And when I say we wudini amenka say obi a wakokum nipa ba act na wo ye no indirectly you are killing people. You are killing people. You are killing people with the cyanide, mercury, arsenic, any sound woman that can win. Nipewu. That is what I want to say. And the Korean crofua could kidney problems. Korean crofua, liver, essay, a lot, and kwada, yeah, woman, this community. Imagine Adansi Asokwa. If you are Kobompai, thank you, Lord. Ye say bibini ye ho ahomte ye ho awerho nso eka ho Eugene kwamna
ni bibi aka
ozo omanyane
ni bibi aka